know what they put on French fries in Holland instead of ketchup? Or what? Mayonnaise?
I just can't get behind that. But if that's something that you like, then you deserve the best quality mayo, starting with a couple of simple ingredients. And if you're worried about mayonnaise made with raw eggs, there are two simple words to quell all your concerns: acid and emulsification. So here's the picture. One egg goes right in there. A clove of garlic, some white wine vinegar, a nice pinch of salt. We can always add more later. And then some good quality Dijon mustard. Now add the oil in. For extra points, you can add it along the side so that it separates into its own separate layer above the eggs. This here is about 3/4 cups of oil. You can use canola oil, avocado oil. Then here's the magic. And you want to make sure that the container over here is just large enough for the head to barely fit, to create a vortex right at the bottom of the egg so that it combines the oil with the eggs for the emulsification, and the acid combines with the egg to kill all bacteria. Then just slowly start moving that immersion blender up as you start to see the mayo forming at the bottom. And this is how easy it is to make mayo at home. You can use it in anything. Why not check out my tuna salad sandwich?